two giants in the HR world, TriNet versus ADP. One big question: which one actually delivers for your business? On the left, TriNet, industry-smart HR tailored for growing businesses. And on the right, ADP. Comprehensive, flexible HR and payroll solutions trusted worldwide. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what really matters for you and your team. We'll rate each category, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. Here's the game plan. We're going to rate TriNet and ADP across 6 big categories: pricing, transparency, features and flexibility, HR and payroll services, integrations and ecosystem, support and service, and suitability and ease of use. I'll walk you through each point by point. First up, pricing transparency. Okay, TriNet does a pretty good job here. You actually get clear pricing based on how many employees you've got, and the bundled services make costs super predictable. Like, there's no wild guessing, which honestly can be a lifesaver for budgeting. Only thing, if you're running a tiny team, that bundled model might run you a bit higher than you'd hope. Now ADP, it's kind of the opposite. They've got all the flexibility with add-ons and scale really well for bigger or smaller businesses. But pretty annoying, you can't just go online and see the price. You're stuck requesting quotes, and even then, info about base price and those sneaky add-ons is kinda hard to find. So yeah, TriNet feels way more upfront here, and that helps a lot. Next, features and flexibility. So TriNet's big thing is that it's built for specific industries. Maybe you're in healthcare, tech, whatever, they tailor stuff for you. Plus, it's a full-service PEO, so it rolls HR, payroll, and benefits all together. It's slick, but if you only need one piece, say just benefits or payroll, it's not super flexible. On the other hand, ADP is like the Swiss Army knife, right? Tons of add-ons to tweak your package. You can choose PEO, go with just HR outsourcing, or stick with a simple HR platform. That's major flexibility, though beware, sometimes the basic HR tools mean you gotta shell out extra for those add-ons you want. Still, ADP gets the win here for just how much you can dial things in. HR and payroll services. Okay, here where things pretty much level out. TriNet covers all the bases: payroll, HR compliance, nice employee portal. Real solid, though sometimes payroll errors pop up, and if you need refund help, the support could be better. ADP, seriously dependable payroll with compliance checks built in, relief, right? Their reporting and access to HR consults is nice, too. Some quirks though: it's easier for payroll than deep dive HR tasks, and if you hop between platforms, it's not always smooth sailing. All in all, both deliver well enough to make this category a toss-up. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. The first professional employer organizations, PEOs, started popping up in the 1980s. Fast forward to today, they support millions of employees nationwide. Kind of wild, right? Switching gears, integrations and ecosystem. TriNet keeps it simple. You can hook it up with some big finance and HR tools, and it's straightforward to get started. But here's the thing: fewer partners to integrate with compared to the competition. Then there's ADP, which is honestly a beast. Over 300 apps, so like Slack, Wave, Workday, you name it. Plus custom APIs for weird or unique setups. It's nuts. But fair warning, for some integrations you may need a tech wizard or two. Still, ADP basically blows everyone else out of the water in this space. Alright, support and service. TriNet makes a big promise: 24/7 live chat, phone and email, plus their consultants are actually industry certified. Not bad, right? Support quality can vary a bit though, so just keeping it real. ADP, meanwhile, hooks you up with a designated consultant and live phone support, but only on weekdays. Not quite the round-the-clock thing, so for service hours and expertise, TriNet edges it out. Last category, suitability and ease of use. TriNet's employee portal is super easy, especially if you're dealing with all those tricky industry-specific regulations. But if you need only one HR component, you might want to look elsewhere. Full bundles aren't always ideal. ADP works wonders for growing companies who need something they can tweak as they scale. Thing is, all that firepower can get pretty overwhelming if your business is on the smaller side. Bottom line, TriNet makes things easier overall, especially for folks who want the whole bundle without extra hassle. Let's take a quick look at the numbers side by side. You can see TriNet shines in transparency and support, while ADP absolutely comes out swinging with flexibility and a huge integration scene. For HR and payroll, it's honestly neck and neck. So, final thoughts? TriNet is perfect if you want everything bundled, need expert HR that actually understands your industry, and you love seeing pricing up front. ADP is your move if you want to tweak every little thing, need a massive set of integrations, and aren't allergic to custom quotes. The winner by a hair is TriNet for ease and transparency, but ADP's flexibility is super tempting if your team needs all the options. Need an HR upgrade? Compare PEO DMOS from TriNet and ADP today. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, follow for more unbiased business tool scoops.